Here's the two motors and tires that I got off of the Invacare power wheelchair. There's the motor controller, the Sabertooth 32 amp motor controller. Connected. I have the receiver connected to it. And the transmitter's paired with the receiver. Running on a 24 volt power supply. And she is ready to go. The electronics are done. Time to pair it, time to frame it, put it on a push mower, and add a IP cam so I can see where it's going.